Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are in vlog mode for a moment. I wanted to take a quick minute to show you my toddler's quiet time book. As a lot of you know, we are a homeschool family and I have 3 kids in the house, and so I need different times throughout the day to keep my toddler busy and quiet, and this is one of the ways that I figured out how to do that, and I thought that maybe it would be helpful for you too, so let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is my toddler's quiet time busy book. Hopefully it's focused good. And I made it myself using a website called Teachers Pay Teachers, which I'll link below. I am not affiliated with them in any way, and I don't know the woman who designed this book, but they have a lot of different quiet time busy book things on the website that you can check out. And this one, I believe it was $10 for the entire set, but there are some that are even less expensive. And all you do is you print it out yourself, and then I laminated ours. You could also use, like page protectors. She has a whole list of directions and options that come with it. And then I used these Velcro stickies, can you see that, to make the different activities. So this first one is a color sorting activity. You can pull off all the little carbs and then stick them back on. And that takes my son quite a bit of time. And he likes this. This was also fun to use for vocabulary. What's that one?
Dinosaur.
I can say find the flower, find the bee, or he will do it himself. Look, it's a flower. Look, it's an apple. Look, it's a bee. So that's the first activity. I'm not going to show you all of them. There are quite a few in here. Next one is Forest Friend Puzzles. So these are simple puzzles. This is a get dressed page. This is also fun if you go to church. You can take this to church if your child has to sit with you. During COVID, I know a lot of churches aren't doing Sunday school. So this is a fun way to keep your child busy during Sunday school during church, or if you're going on a long car ride, traveling. This is another great thing you can do to keep your child occupied. So they have a getting dressed. There's a build a face page. Let's see, shape sorting, counting. This is matching, the cars to the emergency responder that they go to. Second, we have dinosaur puzzles. This is an emotions one, which I haven't finished laminating all of these yet, so we haven't finished this page, but there's different emotions, which I would probably save this activity to use in our calm down corner. I was thinking this would be great for practicing some emotional intelligence skills. Let's see. My kids both really like this one, building a meal. And my daughter and son do this together sometimes, and they play restaurant. Anyway, you can see it goes all the way through. I'll show you some more of them. I haven't finished all of these. There's a Fruit Loop color sorter. This one, there's a bunch. I've got the pages back here, you can see. There's like a baby bottle and a pacifier and things you can put on this side, and then you can take care of the baby. There's a patterns page, which we're working on right now, patterns, and then counting. So this one is geared towards toddlers, early preschoolers. They do have some that are made for older children as well. So like if you're going to travel and you want to make them for multiple kids. But this took me so far, I think I put one evening into making it, and my kids have really enjoyed playing with just the pages that I've done. And I haven't had time to finish all of it, but I just think this is such a great idea, and I hope that it's helpful to some of you all, because I know a lot of you are working from home now and trying to deal with kids or multiple kids, or doing school with multiple kids and maybe even toddlers as well. So hope you found that helpful. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with any other parents in your lives, and I will see you in the next one. Adios.